Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add operators in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to add operators in this document.